Hello, Miss Sharmila. Today, me and my friends going to explain about problem-based task. Me as Nivita, daughter of GUNASEGARAN, my matrix number is 01DDT20F1040.
My name is Shishipriya, daughter of PERABAKARAN. Metric number is 01DDT20F1094.
My name is Keshwini, daughter of SARAVANAN. My metric number is 01DDT20F117.
Okay, let's move on to the question 2. Troubleshooting is the systematic process used to locate the cause of a fault in a computer system and correct the relevant hardware and software issues. Present the steps of measures to conduct if the computer is running slow. Okay, steps of measures to conduct means action that we should take. Okay, so what is the action? The action is we need to troubleshoot the computer. Okay, let's move on. Okay, these are the example picture of troubleshoot. Okay, troubleshoot is more known as a fix or repairing the devices. Okay, what is troubleshooting? Troubleshooting means act or process discovering and resolving problems, disputes, or mechanical or technical issues. Troubleshooting process step by step. Step 1, define the problem. Step 2, clarify the problem. Step 3, define the goals. Step 4, identify the root of the problem. Step 5, develop action plan. Step 6, execute action plan. Step 7, evaluate the results. Step 8, continuously improve. Reboot. Reboot allows the computer to restart and get back to work normally. If computer has not been rebooted recently, make sure to reboot it below, following any of the steps below. Rebooting the computer can fix many problems and is an easy first step. How to reboot computer manually? If your computer operating system crashes, freezes, or displays a blue error screen known as the blue screen or death, you won't be able to navigate to the menu screen or use keys. Instead, you will have to manually or hard to reboot your computer. Press and hold the power button on the front of the computer for approximately 5 seconds. The computer will shut off. No lights should be near the power button. If lights are still on, you can unplug the power cord to the computer tower. Wait 30 seconds. Push the power button to turn the computer on again. Delete temporary files. As a computer runs program, temporary files are sorted on the hard drive. Deleting these temporary files help to improve the computer performance. Windows computers. First, we suggest using the Windows Disk Cleanup utility to delete temporary files and other files no longer needed on the computer. Unfortunately, the disk cleanup may not delete every file in the temporary directory. Therefore, we also suggest deleting the temporary file manually. Open the start menu and press the window key, then type %temp% in the search field. Press enter and a temp folder should open. You can delete all files found in this folder, and if any file are used cannot be deleted, they can be skipped.
Free hard drive space. Verify this is a list of 20, 200, 500 MB of free hard drive space. The average space allowed to computer to have room and file increase in the size and leave room for temporary files. Scan for virus and malware in your computer is the one of the most viruses may run more slowly. If your computer doesn't have antivirus program installation, run this microfree called online and to scan the remote virus on your computer. Require your installation and antivirus program to active protection against virus. Today, hardware on the malware is the big cause of many computers problems, includes slowly person. Even the antivirus cannot install on the computer. We require running a malware scan well. Use the free virus of malware which scan your computer for malware. Increase or upgrade the process speed. Increase the speed and process CPU and improve your computer performance. There are two options: increase process speed, overclocking, and upgrading. Overclocking in a process may increase the speed beyond what is required to run stably with the outclocking increase and cross speed the increase to often not result in the maybe 10% or 20% speed increase at most. A savvy influence to clocking upgrade the process in the computer. You will need to getting help for your motherboard to determine what type of meeting profile by using Index. You can install the new process in the base instinct processor.
Hard drive upgrade. One of the biggest bottlenecks of the computer is the hard disk drive. Upgrading from a standard hard drive to solid state drive SSD drastically improves the computer's performance. This is a picture of a hard drive. Erase and start over. One of the solutions above resolve your issues. Another option is to reinstall the operating system, or you can erase everything and start over. Erasing everything on your computer and reinstalling the operating system can increase performance by getting rid of old software or drives. Installing a fresh copy of Mac OS or Windows software programs and the latest drives help verify there are no software related issues causing your computer to be slow. Hardware issues. Finally, if your computer is still slow after trying the above recommendations, there are likely more serious hardware related issues. For example, failing component. Example of failing hardware could include the hard drive, CPU, RAM, motherboard, or other components. You can run a hardware diagnostic test using the Ultimate Boot CD UBCD utility. This utility provides information on whether or not your computer has bad piece of hardware. Thank you.